Hello guys, my name is Mikala Monanti Mongsong. I'm from Institute of Sciences Sultan Agung. So in this video, I will make a tutorial about how to citation in with using Mendeley and make it to the Word Microsoft. And you need to open your Mendeley. If you never login, you need to login your account, your email, and your password. After that, open your words, and the first one, I will make a citation journal article. You need to open your file, click add files, put your article like this. After that, you can see your article, and you can see green light inside of your journal article. When you click, then change the type to journal article. Then write you need to type the title of the journal article, and you need to make every words of the letters is a capital, like this, like P K M A E I S G S is capital, so it's the right words to using in this in the and the authors is who makes the journal article. So you can click 2 times in their file, and you can see the who makes the article. So you need to type the name of the authors is last name is a first name, and the first name is the last name. You can see like this. And the journal you can see is article ilmiah science, and this. So this is the journal, and here you can see there is in this video is in this video and this my journal article is 2013. You can make the year like the in your journal article. So this is the year, and the volume is 70. And the issues you can skip if you can find the issues you can skip. And the text is 111 to 116. You can see the text. In the abstract, you can find the abstract in the first, like you can see abstract early. You can copy copy and fill and paste to the abstract, and it's like the already abstract. So the text you can skip if you can find the text, and outer keywords you can see in keywords, or in Indonesia language is kata kunci. You can copy and paste, like in the journal article later. And URL you can skip, or maybe in Mendeley it will autofill. So it's okay if you add the URL, you can fill the URL in this URL. So because is this from the file, it will fill auto, and it's done. And after that, open your watch and go to the reference, insert citation, eh, go to reference, go to reference, and go to reference, and you can choose the what do you want to use to citation like this. Like you can copy these words, Ctrl+C and go to the words Microsoft, Ctrl+V, paste. And before the point, you need to space and go to the insert citation. Go to the link and choose the words from the journal article. Choose the journal article. Journal article if the in the journal article is your words. Click and click go to site. And the next we will citation compliance proceeding to the words with using Mendeley. So you need to open your file, open your file compliance proceeding. Once you download in your searching application. So you need to open your file, and pick the compliance proceeding open. Click the file and change the tab to compliance proceeding. And the title, you need to make the title in upper letters. The first word is capital, like P, P, B, P, D, P, D, A, B. And the authors, you can click the time in the file and type the authors. You can see in your proceeding compliance. And you need to type first name is the last name and the last name is the first name. And then in the title you can see in your upper compliance proceeding, or in Google you can see this. So you need to type it, and this is in this. And here you can find in the proceeding compliance in here, and the page you can find it, or you can see in this page. Like this, to this. In the abstract, you can see that in early your proceeding compliance, and you can paste, and you can copy and paste to this abstract. You can use Indonesian or English or Indonesian words, languages. If you can see the text, you can skip, and the other keywords you can find in this, and you can copy and paste this. In the city, and you can see the city in your compliance proceeding, like this, city Pekanbaru. And editors, you can find the editors. You can see in the Google and click about the journal, and you can see the editor-in-chief. And the URL, if you want to find the editors, you go to the prompt where you can see your page or your webs about your proceeding compliance, and go to the about the journal, and you can see the editors. You can type his name, and when you type the names of editor, you need to make the first name is the last name, the last name is the first name. And if you want to find the publisher, you go again to the web when you can see about the title of your compliance proceeding. You can see the publisher, and you can type the publisher. The URL is your copy the link of your web proceeding. You copy and you can paste in here. You can find in the about or in the first page about your proceeding. You can copy and paste to the here. After that, if you want to citation, copy the text you want to use. Copy to the words, first of words.
And remove the points you need to space and go to insert station. Go to Mendeley. The Mendeley will open, and you need to choose your file and click save. It will auto citation.
And the next is how to make a citation from YouTube with using Mendeley to work. So you need to open your Mendeley first, click File, add entry manually, and go to Type and is Report. And the first time before this, you need to open YouTube. Where do you want to use citation? So the title is here, the name of the video, and you can copy and paste. And make the title to the right word. You need to make the first of word is the first and for the letters word is capital, and the author is the name of the YouTube. The name of the YouTube. The year is when the video is made, like this. 5 years later is 2020, and the text is, you can skip the text. And the abstract is the description of the video. And you can skip the text, and you can skip the other keywords. And the city, you can where the video is made. If you cannot find, you can skip. And the station is the name of the YouTube. If the YouTube is a group or not, or no, as a person, and URL is the link of the video. You can copy and paste. This you can skip. You can skip and save. This how to make a citation of YouTube. And of YouTube. This is how to make a citation of thesis to the words with using Mendeley. So you need to open your file and files and pick your thesis. And change the type to the thesis, change the title, all the words. And if you make this title, you just need to make this word is the first words of the letters is every letter is capital. So this is wrong. This is wrong. And the authors is, you can find it. And you need to make the name is the last name is in the first and the last name is in the last. In the first and the last. Here you can see it, and the page you can how many pages in this thesis. And the abstract you can find in the abstract you can find in the thesis. You can copy. And the keywords you can see it and you can copy. The text you can skip. The document is the facultas from here. Where his facultas is where his facultas, and the university is his university. The type is like the PDF, so we will type scripts, and the URL is, if you find in the prompt you can copy, and that's how to position thesis. So the next is how to make a citation of web page with using Mendeley to the words. So you need to find a web page you want to citation and open your Mendeley and click add entry manually. Change the type to the web page and fill the title from the web page. You can copy or typing. So you need to make the every word of letter is capital, and the author is, you can find in this web page, is Andri Novellino. And the publication is the CNN Indonesia. And the year is 2022, and text you can skip, abstract you can skip, text either clause you can skip, then the date access you can make. The date access is this day, this date is like now is 15, so you can go 15. In the URL you can copy the URL from the web page. So this is how to citation a web page. The next is how to citation ebook or internet book with using Mendeley to words. So open your Mendeley, add entity manually, type book and go to Chrome and choose what book do you want to citation. So I will choose this book, ebook, and I will make the title. You can copy or type what you need type. Like this, and the authors you can put his name Aprita Sarlika, and the year is this when the book makes, and the page is how many pages in this book, and the abstract you can find the abstract like this in your ebook, but in my book is no abstract, so I can type in the text. You can skip the author keywords. You can skip, for example, because in this ebook they don't have author keywords and text and abstract. And the city is where this book is made. You can see in this book when this book is made. This book is made is from in this book they don't have a place, so I will skip where the place. Oh, the place in Jakarta, so we can type Jakarta, and the edition is what edition. Oh, this is Jakarta. Yes, the edition it is first edition. And it's 380, and the editors is so they don't have editors, and the publisher is Renada Media. The URL you can copy the link from the Google Book, from the and ISBN you can copy this ISBN and save, and that's how to citation ebook. So the next is how to citation a book from with using. So you need to click the add entry manually, choose the type to the book, the title you can fill from the book like this. You need to type the title from the book like this. The first of words from every letter is a capital, and the authors you can find from the book like this. You need to type the last name to the first name. And the year is when the book is made like this, you can see this book is made is 2050, and the page is how many the pages of this book you can find in this book from the first page, or you can see in the last page how many the page. In this book the page is 430, and the abstract you can from the book you can find it in the back cover, or you can skip, and the text is you can skip. So go to the outer keywords and go to the city. Where the city is made is Jakarta, and the edition is with volume. This is volume 3, and the editors of this book but in this book they don't have editors. So go to the publisher. The publisher is who is the publisher is in this book. In this book is the publisher is PT Raja Grafindo Persada. And the URL you can skip, and the title of others you can skip, and the ISBN you can find in the cover book in back. And this is how to citation a book. You can save, and this how to citation a book. And if you want to make a paraphrase, like from this, you can copy the letters, the words, and go to the chat GPT, and you can paste and type for paraphrase this what your copy. So this will the AI will make the paraphrase. The paraphrase you can copy and make to the word. Like this. This how to paraphrases. para flash. So thank you, this is how to the tutorial what I made. So bye bye.